Hello, I'm Nadia. Let's make some toy cakes.
Vocabulary. Let's make toy cakes.
This is a cupcake liner.
A cupcake liner. A cupcake liner.
This is modeling clay.
Modeling clay. Modeling clay.
This is a dessert cup.
A dessert cup. A dessert cup.
This is a piping bag.
A piping bag. A piping bag.
These are tools.
Modeling tools. Modeling tools.
These are decorations.
Cake decorations. Cake decorations.
Thank you. Yummy.
A cupcake liner. A piping bag. A dessert cup. Cake decorations. Modeling clay. Modeling tools.